the last part, fraction meets BODMAS. So same thing, we're going to use BODMAS rule over here, and additionally we have fractions. That's it, nothing else. So remember, in BODMAS we always start off with writing BODMAS. We have brackets, yes, we do have brackets. So let's start with the brackets, and that's 9. Done. No operation. 1 by 3 into 9. So there is multiplication, or you can see it as division as well. So we can see 3 and 9, they have 3 as a common factor. 3 ones are 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we have the answer to be 3 by 1. Division done, multiplication done. No addition nor subtraction. On to the next problem. Again, let's write BODMAS over here. So let's start off with brackets, no. Order, nothing. Division, we have fractions which can be divided. So let's do that. They're not in the simplest form, so we can simplify them. So what is the HCF over here? HCF between the numerator and denominator is 10, and here it's 2. So let's do that. Let's cancel them. So we have 30 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 minus 42 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Again, you need not do all of this in this way. You need not write so much, but again, just for explanation, nothing else. So this will result in 3, denominator result in 1, this will result in 21 by 1 into 1 by 3. Can we further solve it? Yes. Here we can look at 21 by 1 into 1 by 3. This, we have 3 as the HCF. So we can divide 3 by 3, that is 1. 21 by 3, that is 7. And we have 3 by 1 minus 7 by 1. Right? So we're done with division, multiplication. So we don't have addition because the signs are different. So we have subtraction. The bigger sign is negative. The difference between 7 and 3 is 4, and we have negative 4. Okay. Next is your 5 by 2 cube minus of 1 by 2 negative 3 by 4. So again, BODMAS. So we have brackets. So let's start off with that first. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So are they in simplest form? Individually, yes, they are. The next step is we have to make the denominator same. Is it not? So how do you make the denominator same? By finding the LCM between which two numbers? Correct? 2 and 4, that is 4. So already 3 by 4 has 4 in the denominator. I just have to convert 1 by 2 by multiplying what? Yes, by multiplying 2. And now we have, let me change the color. Now we have 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4. LCM is 4, 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1 by 4. Right? So bracket done. Is there operation? Yes, we have operation. Let's solve that again separately. See, maths is fun. If you do it in an organized way, you get right answer, and it's something you need not memorize anything over here, right? No dates, no names, nothing. Just few set of formulas and few rules to follow. So 5 by 2 cube. See, 5 is in the numerator, that won't, you need not bother with that. 2 cube is nothing but 8, right? So operation done. Now we are looking at division and all of those. Well, let's substitute the question back. So we have 5 by 2 cube to be 5 by 8, right? I don't have space, so I'm just starting off directly writing the required, and in place of brackets we're going to write negative 1 by 4. So before I do anything else, I always suggest handle the negative sign. So negative of negative is positive, 5 by 8, positive 1 by 4. So is there any division? Well, 5 by 8 is dividing and 1 by 4 is also getting divided. But we'll handle them as fractions, so we don't have any division nor multiplication. We do have addition because both are positive sign. To add them, I need the denominator to be same. So for that, I'll find the LCM between which two numbers? Yes, 8 and 4. The LCM is 8. The first number has 8 in the denominator. So we have 1 by 4 into 2 by 2. It is nothing but 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So numerator we have 7 by 8. Is it not? And that's your answer. Okay. Now on to the next question. Here let's again write BODMAS. No brackets, but we do have operation, that is 2 square, that is 4. So let me directly write okay, no issues. I just wrote it directly and you can also do the same because we're not doing anything complicated. Just 2 square is 4. We're just doing that. Division and multiplication, yes, we have bunch of them happening. We can take it as a separate thing. So I'm going to take 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Okay. So let me give left to right rule or division as a priority, because anyways both of them will lead to the same operation, that is we have to handle 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 4 into 2 by 1 into 1 by 4, right? Because I am trying to handle this part first. So everything else I need to just copy and just handle this. So we are looking at typical fraction multiplication. So 4 into, we have 2 ones are 2, 2s are, and in the numerator we have 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 1 into 4, that is 8. So all of this reduces to 1 by 8. Okay, this part. Negative is there, right? Negative continues to be there. Just that this particular set of numbers will reduce to 1 by 8. 3 by 1 minus 1 by 8. So the LCM between 1 and 8 is 8, and we have to make the 1 by 3 to have 8 in the denominator, and 1 by 8 already has 8, so we need not bother with that. So how do you do that? How to have 8 in the denominator? What should I multiply and divide? With 8, right? So 8 3s are 24 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So 8 in the denominator, 24 minus 1, 23. And we are done. This is in the simplest form, so we need not do any more math. Next question, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 2 plus half. So same thing, start with writing BODMAS. No, we do have brackets, so we have 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. They are in simplest form, and next step is the denominator are the same, so we have the like fractions. So 2, 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. So brackets done, no operation. Division and multiplication are there. For that I need to copy the question. So let's start off with 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 2 plus half. So I'm going to substitute 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into, so in this entire, in place of this I'm going to write 3. Is it not? So 3 by 1. So this is quite simple. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we have 1 by 6 plus 1, right? All of this will result in 1. So this is again an integer. Integer I can convert to fraction by dividing with 1. So here the division and multiplication is done. We have addition. The LCM between 6 and 1 is 6. So what should I do? With the the first term. Should I do something? No, right? What about the second one? Yes, we need to multiply with 6 by 6. So we have 1 by 6 plus 6 by 6. LCM is 6, the denominator is 6. So we have the numerator to be 1 plus 6, that is 7 by 6. And that's your answer. Addition is done. There's no subtraction. We are done. Please do try it on your own. Same advice. Before watching the video, try it. Okay, let's see. Brackets are there. Yes, we have brackets. 1 by 2 plus 1, which can be written as 1 by 1. Simplest form, yes. Like fractions, no. For that, we need to find LCM. Between 2 and 1, LCM is 2. So I have to convert the second term to a fraction which has 2 in the denominator. So for that, we multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Next step is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1 plus 2 by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 2. So we're done with fractions. Then we have operation, right? Order. 1 by 2 the whole square. What is 1 by 2 the whole square? See, the idea of square is that we need whatever number is there inside the bracket, we need to multiply 2 times. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So how much is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? 1 by 4, is it not? 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. Division and multiplication, yes, we have bunch of them. So let's copy the question. 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 the whole square. So all we have to do is substitute. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Just copy the next term, don't bother with what's happening around. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Now we are to handle the multiplication and division of fractions. So for that, if you don't want any complication, just convert division to multiplication. So remember, the first term will not change. Division becomes multiplication symbol, and 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. That's it. So now it's just a matter of cancelling and multiplying. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2s are, and the answer is 2. It's not that difficult. You just have to stay calm and do it systematically. Pause the video and try the next one. Okay, so I'll be starting off with brackets. So there's a big bracket. In that there is a small bracket. So I'll start off with the smallest one. So this brackets has to be solved first before I do anything. So it's in simplest form. Both are like fractions as the denominator is the same. For that reason, I can directly do this. Negative 3, negative 1. Don't miss the sign. So negative 4 by 5. Now take the square brackets. So just copy it. Always do copy the question before showing what the result of that is, right? You can't just write something. You need to copy the question. So in place of this, I'm going to write negative 4 by 5 plus 1. Okay, again, you need not write the square brackets actually. Let me cancel that. If you write also, it's not wrong. It will make more sense, I guess. You write small brackets over here, square brackets we will write, so that it will help, it will become a method for you guys. Now we have set of fractions again. We need to subtract and add them, right? So in this case it's subtract actually. For that we need to make the denominator same. So in this case the LCM is 5. So I'm looking at multiplying and dividing with 5. Minus 4 by 5 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. And we have our fractions. So negative 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is negative 4 plus 5 divided by 5, right? So here we are going to subtract, and the subtracted result is negative 1 by 5. Okay. The last question. So we have BODMAS. Brackets are there. So let's start off with the brackets. So within the brackets we have one more brackets, but well, let me do that first actually. Let me do the small brackets first. So for that we need to find the LCM between 1 and 2, as we need to make this as like fractions. So LCM between 1 and 2 is 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply and divide with what? 2. So we have 8 by 2 minus 5 by 2. We made it as like fractions. Now we have to just write the numerator divided by the denominator, and the difference is 3 by 2. That's your brackets. No, oh, we do have order, that is a squaring operation, cubing operation in this case. 2 cube is 8, right? So we need not write it separately or anything. I'm just going to write, oh, brackets is still not that done, no, sorry. We have to still complete the brackets. So what I completed was the small bracket. Let me do the square bracket now. So again, you need to write the question. Always show what you are trying to do. Copy that exact thing and then start your work. So we have half minus 4 minus 5 by 2, that is 3 by 2, right? So we have LCM to be 2, and the difference here will be plus 1 minus 3, negative 3. So difference between them is negative 2 by 2, right? Is it not? Because negative 3 is the bigger number over here, and the difference between them will result in a negative number. 3 and 1 difference is 2, and that is your answer. Next is positive divided by negative is negative. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so negative 1. Okay. So now I'm going to copy the question. 2 cube minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 5 by 2, brackets closed. So directly write what is required, that is 2 cube. So I'm going to replace this entire thing with minus 1. So now the bracket is actually done. Next is your order or operation. So this is 8 minus 1, because 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, not 2 into 3, remember. It is 2 into 2 into 2. No division or multiplication, addition, subtraction we do have. So difference is 7, and we are done. Good luck with your test. See you guys in exponents. Chalo, bye.